As Florian explained, obviously we are very present in watchmaking industry and in medtech, but also in photonics and semiconductor industry. And this is a typical machine for the, I would say, a mix of photonics. So if you look to the presentation, we explain what we do on this machine. Here we have 2 tray loader for wafer. We have up to 30 wafer on each loader. The machine will come, take the wafer frame. The wafer is a deposit on a frame. We will take the wafer frame, bring it on the vision area, I would say, and we will test the wafer. The wafer is composed of several elements like that. We first will scan the code on the wafer. That will allow us to download the recipe from the customer, because there is a specific recipe for each wafer and each product. And then the idea is to go through this element with a very well collimated light to check beside if there is the correct, I would say, image that we receive through this array. We integrate all the, I would say, hardware. Obviously, we have to communicate with the customer software, but typically here we integrate the algorithm of the customer. So typically this kind of machine is what we are able to build. Why customers come to us for such kind of machine? Again, because of accuracy. It's very high collimation. And again, here, for example, we have in the building a company specialized in collimation lights.